So yes, I should be audible. If someone else is watching, can you confirm that if I'm audible? So if someone else is watching, can you confirm that I'm audible? Hello guys. Hello, hello, hello. Hello people. So yes, perfect. Guys, welcome to the stream. So if someone else is watching, can you guys put +1? I just want to know how many people are in the live stream. That's it. Nothing else. Great, 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 great. Welcome, welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome to the stream. We'll just wait for 9:30 for any trades because it's pure low probability condition right here, as you can see. And if it is your first stream you are watching with me, I am Dr. Matrix and I primarily trade NQ futures. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Just give me a minute. I'll be back. Yes, I guess I'm back. I just got my iPad to like look for perfect. Audio is perfect. Have my iPad back to have my comments checked in the live stream. Live ended. No, 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 it's not ended. It's not ended. I'm live. I'm live. Says welcome to the stream. Whoever is watching, just like the stream, subscribe to CFT Academy. We are doing a great job here navigating markets live. We'll have daily live streams where traders will be having or taking trades in live. Yeah, great, great. Thank you for the compliment. I'll just take that as a compliment. And if you guys are new, like if you don't know me, I'm Matrix and I just trade NQ futures in live. So this is my schedule for the day. And let's first go through the economic calendar first because that's where our trading should be starting first. Whenever we sit in the charts, it's my uh, a thing to check the economic calendars. And if you can see, it's Thursday today. We had news around 8:30, and another news we have that President Trump speaks at 7:20 p.m. So it's not gonna be too much of a trouble for us trading the NY session or the AM session. So yes, that's it. 8:30 we had and it was nothing else. The news didn't do so much. It was just a single candle, which was almost an inside candle. It didn't move a lot. So speaking about the range, it's just some 12 and a half candles move. It's not too much of move. And so I'll just start with my analysis for the day, and just we'll see if we get an entry. Also, I'll be sharing my model in this video if you guys don't know what I'm trading. And yes, we'll just start with the analysis now, right? Okay. So let's get to daily time frame. And what do we see in daily time frame? It's absolute fuckery here, because it's not a lot of high probability conditions. As you can see, I have asked or posted it in Twitter, asking people like, what do you see? Like, I just posted a tweet of this particular chart. This is NQ chart. I'll just uh, add the watermark template. As you can see, if someone comes new, they can see that here it's the ticker size or ticker name, ticker time frame, and here we do have our date. So this is our daily time frame chart. We'll just go through all of the indicators in a bit. Like, these are all the components I use for or inside my trading. We have this daily chart. As you can see in price has been ranging inside the Tuesday's range. Monday we formed, we rallied higher. Tuesday we opened, came down to what? Almost discount of previous day's range. And also we do had our previous candles high, where in a bullish order flow, price will be breaking the highs, coming down, and the previous highs which was broken would actually provide support for the price, right? So again, Tuesday open, came lower, almost like lower 75 percentage of the quadrant of previous range. Also price had or took support at the Mondays or Thursdays high, and then we were consolidating, right? So it's not a lot of high probability condition, as you can see here, because price is inside this Tuesday's range. Monday, sorry, was a bank holiday. It was Friday. So Monday we had a bank holiday, and today, if you can see, we are still consolidating inside the previous day's range. This is an indication that price is going to make an absolute crazy move, either one side. We don't know it's gonna be upside or it's gonna be downside, but it's gonna make an explosive move on either side or either size. We don't know it right now. But if you look at lower time frame, or my primary intermediate time frame would be the 6 hour time frame. If you have been following me in Twitter, I would have talked a lot about this 6 hour model. 6 hour is my primary model, as you can say. This is the range, 6 hours range. Price opened, made the low, London low, if I'm not wrong, made the low, and price seems to be heading higher. And I feel it's not that what I'm endorsed to, but I really feel that we could get past through the size, and again maybe 50 percentage of this week. But if you look at higher time frame picture, we are just consolidating inside this 50 percentage of the range, which is not at all good for high probability conditions. I'll just go to the daily time frame. I'll have something marked, because that's something I just love having it in my charts, that we are having this daily volume imbalance, right? Because I love having this in my charts. Okay? Like, this is my high probable conditions to trade with. And as you can see, price have been reversing at around 50 or 75 percentage from the week. So 6 hours is looking kind of bullish. We've never closed below this VIX 50%. We have our body's closure above the premium part of the VIX range. So I feel that price could easily get through these highs. I'm looking at buys here, but something to notice, yes, has swept these highs, and it's not a lot of bullishness right here. And as you can see in ES, this is ES. I just use it for the SMT sake. As you can see in ES is too much bearish. We have our SMT here in the 6 hour time frame. bullish SMT with NQ, bearish SMT with uh, ES. Like it's upside also we are having an SMT, downside also we are having an SMT. So price has taken these highs. I want to see how price reacts or closes above this. We also have our new day opening gap here, and also the 6 hours. Price seems to be rejecting off of the 6 hours, but we just need more data, guys. It's too much low probability to trade right now. 4 hour closure has been so good. 4 hour closure has been very good. Price is taking support right here. We have a soup. Lows has been rejected. Highs has been breaking out. So I feel these highs could be targeted because price has come down into this bearish order block, tap right here, and now price seems to be heading higher. Talking about 1 hour, it's a shit show. And we had this beautiful range. Price engineered liquidity, making this as relative equal lows. Price came lower, swept this. We have taken this highs also. There is no closure. One, two, three, and four. We don't have any closure above this previous candles high, which is a signature, tiny little signature I just used to determine order flow and all, confirm trades, make buys and all. I just use it, the closure thing. We You're not able to see like too much of closure here. I just want to see if price wants to go higher. It's shit, guys. It's complete barcode PA right here. I can make decisions on both the sides. It's like low probability. We need 9:30 open to give us more data, and with assessing that data, we'll be able to frame some trade ideas. That's what I'm looking at right now. And 30 minutes, not too much of data here. If 30-minute closes above the previous candle size, it's a bullish sign that it could come to this propulsion block and head higher to this and eventually this, and maybe if you are lucky we could go to all these relative equal highs right here. uh we have our SMR here. That SMR has formed around 2, or the low of the day has formed around 2, which could be a sign that we are heading higher, or low of the day has been printed. I believe the low of the day has been printed, but looking at all the signatures in higher time frame, it's not a high probability time to anticipate that a low has been formed. That's what I'm trying to tell. The lows has been rejecting, highs is breaking through breakouts, came lower, rejecting all these lows again, heading higher. Oh, yes, this is what I'm seeing in charts right now. It's not a lot of high probability condition to trade, but I really wish that price gets to all these highs eventually here and all. And doing some standard deviations, I just want to throw in some standard deviations and see where we are accumulating around. Great, we are accumulating around this silver bullet zone. We have our highs here, and this is our daily level. I want a real closure above the 50 percentage of this gap as well to probe the order flow to really make sense for price to trade higher. We want to close above the 50 percentage of this range. Simple as that. I'll just change the color. It's too much hard for me to see. Perfect. This is perfect. I just want a like closure about this. And in the meantime, if you have some doubts, you can feel free to ask, Jais. If you have any doubts, it's you can feel free to ask. It could be anything. And also, ES seems to be heading higher, guys. ES seems to be heading higher. We have this beautiful, very very big. I'll just remove all this. I'll just remove all this. We are having this huge SMT with ES, but it's took off, or the price has been taken off. It's not an ideal scenario for us to uh like get inside the move. It's already done. We just wait for retracement. If it gives retracement, we can look for longs, because higher time frame SMT, everything is there, but price can reject all these high. Is like it's too much possible that price can go higher, take this 6 hour CRT highs and then reject from there. But closure tells us the story. If closure is strong enough, we could head inside some fair valuation and then take off. So yes, I'm looking at longs. Longs look highly probable, but depending upon the 9:30's open and what data we get during the 9:30 open, I might change my bias, guys. If there is not enough of a displacement to head higher, it's a sign that we are going lower. But whatever like price has shown right now, it kind of feels bullish. So let's get into 5 minute time frame. So 5 minute time frame, we have an FEG right here. We also look for the FEG here, because if price dips into this FEG, and if it didn't dip into one FEG and again takes off, that could be a PDR SMT, and that could be a trade opportunity for us to get inside. Simple as that. So I'll just mark my opening prices, because I look for my opening prices. Opening prices tells me if we are in premium or in discount. So I believe that's today open. Today open right here, and 8:30 open. 8:30 open is this rate. This okay. Okay. 8:30 open is here, right? So we've been look at what price has been done considering these two openings. Okay, so we have been spending most time below the 2 day open, which we consider it as a consolidation or accumulation of prices to head higher. And prices has been consolidating for too long. Prices expanded, came lower. Where did it reject again? 2 day open. So price has absolute rejection at 2 day open, and see the reaction of price heading higher after tapping this 2 day open. Again, we had this 8:30 open mark, and inside this, or between the difference of 2 day open and 8:30 open, that's our other fair valuation. Price came lower, tapped in, and gone higher. All the signs are telling that price is poised to go higher, and just we stay along with the trend, and we use PDRAs to navigate if it's really want to go higher and target or the other highs right here. Now we really wish to see if price, I'll just remove this because it's too much of things in charts. If price has dipped into not it. So I wish like price comes into this FEG, shows some reaction SMT inside this FEG, like an SMT maybe good, and then we look for longs. But things might change if this FEG reverses. I'm not really bullish anymore, because that's your daily the volume imbalance. Price is closed 15 minutes above this volume imbalance, but let's see. I want any of this consolidation to send prices again a value of fair valuation to send it all higher. But the thing is like higher time frame is completely fucked right now, and we just want to have the 75 percentage of or 55 percentage of the range marked. I'll go premium discount. That's our premium discount. So anything above this is premium, but there is a strong closure above this premium. That could send prices to a bit more premium, and then maybe look for shorts or something else. And yes, this is my complete pre-market analysis for NQ. I'm just looking at long prices. Whatever has price shown, I feel like it's a signature for us to look for longs. But my invalidations are clear. If this bullish FEG fails, I'm not looking for longs anymore. We are having a tiny little like SMT here. We have a huge SMT here. As you can see, we are having SMT at the both the sides, and that's low probable. You see me like I can frame ideas on both the sides. I was able to frame more a bit more probability of price going higher, but I'm also able to completely shift that idea and looking for sales as well. So that's what I've told right now, that we have our 8:30 here, sorry, 2 day open here, and price has been accumulating inside this or below this 2 day open, and price has reacted higher, gone higher, came lower again, reacting at this two-day open, and again price opened a bit higher. It didn't again come to the two-day open, but we came just lower below this 830 open. And what is between this 830 and two-day? That's a invisible fair value gap, you can say, or a area of fair value to look for longs. As you can see, price is choppy and moving slowly higher. Let's see. My draw is this for now. And looking at 930 open, I'll just look for more guys. A good long is here has been missed. Good long is here. Beautiful long has been missed here. My model entries right here. After 830 or around 9, we have this beautiful model. I use closure for everything. I use closure to probe my bias. I use closure to look for entries. I look forward with closures to uh, know it's like a high probability or low probability trade. That's a tiny little trade we missed here. That's an one-on-one trade, but that would be a partials for me to see if it price wants to go higher anyway. But that's fine. That's fine. Because it's low probability, I want more data. I'm fine with this, but still, the model provides. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. We are 10 minutes away from the open. So, looking at RTH, where are we? Looking at RTH, where are we right now? So, this is RTH here. We are at 22,215, 22,215, 22,215. 22,215 is around here, guys. It could be a flat opening for prices. It could be a flat opening. Flat openings, I hate. I really hate flat openings during NQ because it could go either way higher. It could go either way highs or either way lows. I hate, literally hate flat openings. I'll just look at NVOGs and NDOGs, right? Oh, right, right now we are inside the cluster of all these NVOGs and NDOGs, guys. It's the cluster of NDOGs and NVOGs. That be open today. That be open today. So that's an NDOG right there. That's a present day's NVOG. Okay. That's a present day's NVOG. I use weekly opening gap right here. Okay. So that's our present NVOG. We are inside the NVOG. Also NDOGs. We are inside the cluster of NVOGs and NDOGs. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. If I would have longed here, I would have cut short my positions here. That's a too much of barrier for price to head higher. That's why it's kind of reacting a bit here. That's too much of yeah. It's low probability day for sure. It's low probability day for sure. We are having all these uh, SMT right here. And also we are stuck between the NVOGs, the NDOGs, the daily inversion volume imbalances. We have it all. Price has reached its two standard deviation, but these highs looks real sexy. This has six look real sexy. And what do we got here? We are above the NVOG, so that's kind of an NVOG SMT. And also the previous gap days gap price has been accumulating around this present NDOG. And yeah, seems bullish, but these NVOGs NDOGs can resist price going higher, and if it rejects, that's a huge sell. And we are looking at the previous day's low and the Tuesday's low right here. That's gonna be a very huge sell if it does. But yes, I can frame trades on both the sides or frame ideas on both the sides. I'm just looking for anticipating the 930 open. We are the SMT is still sustaining. The SMT is still sustaining. Uh, right. I'll just make another column for watching MNQ because I'm about to trade. If trade presents, I'll just enter guys. If trade presents, I'll enter. Not now, not immediately. I'll let you know what is the procedure, what I'm looking at, and I'll have Okay, I'll just close my screens for a bit. I'm about to log into my broker. Well, wait. This is kitchen, right? Okay, perfect. Okay, I have it open here. Right, I'll just go with high contracts as usually. Where price is like right now and rejecting, it's not at all looking good. It's not at all looking good. It's absolute low probability condition here. But I love what price is doing here, taking the previous 15-minute candles highs and rejecting from there ahead of 9:30 opening is good. If price closes strong above this previous candle's low, I might consider taking entries. Yeah, that's it. So, but I'll consider trading ES. I'll consider trading ES, but I want a closure. Let's see if we get a closure. A price is low probability, flat opening. We have it all, but just we want a closure to confirm it if it's going lows. These eyes has been protected. I just I'm looking for the close. It's 15 seconds away. Okay, that's a 5 minute. Oh, damn, bro. We just missed. Just looking for a closure and it ran. What about NQ? NQS. Okay. We have fallen. We might be looking at all the NVOX, NDOX. Okay, that's an SMT for sure. Everything was good. But that's fine. That's fine. Let's wait for price to like look for any sort of uh retracement into the range. We might be anticipating 9:30 continuations. If the candle tap in FEG, you said you're going for buy. So what would be a target? If the buys I feel is too much heavy for now. What price is showing, buys would be heavy. Uh, like I've shown you, like the reasons for all the reasons I'm looking for sales. The like once I switched up on this thing, I'm very confident that it's gonna go for sales. Right now, but we missed an entry, guys. We missed an entry. It's nine open. If I'm not wrong, nine is open here. Okay, nine open price is at nine open here. That could be the formation of a PO3, right? Where are we in terms of Nvidia? What's Nvidia about to do, guys? What's Nvidia about to do? Nvidia, we are looking at a pre-market open of highs, and Nvidia, I feel it's gonna low. Okay, the rejection is good. Nvidia is okay. I feel that's an entry in MNQ. I'm going with 5 MNQ sales. Okay, I'm going with 5 MNQ sales. My SL would be SL would be here below the previous candle size. Nvidia is too much bearish. Have this. I'll just move it to the previous candle size. Okay. I just feel like we still have the N walks that could send prices lower. If it's an SL, I'm just taking the SL and moving away. It's a low probability condition. I'm anticipating 930 to push lower. We are rejecting off of this order block. That's kind of sad, but we just wait. We just wait. All these are good invalidations. Nvidia is sinking right now. Nvidia is bearish ahead of 930, and we are opening at gap highs. So I'm just framing this trade with Nvidia opening at the gap highs. We still have our SMT here, and looks bad. But yeah, we have taken nothing else. Model has formed. Previous candles low, prices closed. If it's an SL, I'm taking it. Okay, perfect. Buy side here. Buy side. Right. Buy side here. My target is like so much low. That's great. I'm moving my stop loss to the lows. Okay, that's taken out. That's taken out. That's taken out. And gap lows we are opening at gap lows. Nvidia at gap highs. I might look for another entry. Okay, I'm just gonna enter again because I feel no. I'll just wait for more response. We have this inversion here. It's not high probable for now, and Nvidia is pushing higher. Nvidia is going higher. Yes, yes, not that good. We are rejecting off of this M3 FEG, and okay, okay, okay. We have opened below the previous uh, days. I mean low, right? Okay, we are going highs. Our previous H6 is highs here, right here. To some value of 1 or 2 or enough. RTH and purpose. Excuse me. இந்த ஹைஸ் மறுபடியும் எடுத்திருக்கு லைக் ஓகே I feel that's a good area for us to look for sales. Okay, I'm going another fire sale here. Oh, sorry, that's NQ. Sorry, MNQ, MNQ. Hey, yeah, it's already sold. I really wish it's want to like it should be NQ is very weak. I want to see it run to the lows. Sells here 930 Judas. See where it's reacting. Yes. Okay, that's a sell. That's a good sell. And Nvidia, I'm looking for sales as well. Bro, price is too bad, bro. Seriously, we don't or want all like those deep retracements, but it's too much of. I'll take. I'm done with this. I'm just moving my stops to partials. Right. I'll take three off here. I'll take remove three here. Buy three here. Nvidia seems to be not too much of or not showing too much of bearishness. I'm very. And that's a good sell, but price had other plans of going higher and then coming lower again. ES is weak as well. We could have sold it in ES, but still, that's a good sell. And we are looking at 4 standard deviation, and I really want to see price extend too much. And that's a good sell. To be honest, we can look at all these lows. That's a sell, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now what I wanna do is just trail. If it is heavy, I wanna see all those lows getting taken. If it's heavy, I wanna see all those lows getting taken. If it is heavy at all, but I feel we are at low probability conditions right now. I'll just mark the same lows with uh, put an alert at this, and if it's that taken out, I'm just removing partials. So loss is covered here. My losses are covered. I feel it's 29. It's not a lot, but still, we have our previous lows. If we want to see something, we don't want this first presentation FEG to be uh, completely rejected. This is my first presentation FEG. So we'll just look for other FEGs if that's there. 930's first presentation. Yes, we do have our 930's other first presentation. If we want to go lower, I want to see that reject hard and then come lower. My loss are covered. It's not like I'm revenge trading. I know I'm looking for sales. I had the sales. I was anticipating a lower run here, but it's taken out. And yeah, that's it. If that's getting stopped, I'm done for the day, guys. That's a SL partial and a win. So basically, we are at 0-0 for the day. Zero, I guess. I'm zero for the day. But these looks very cool for me. Commissions covered, everything is done, and I feel that's going to get invalidated. That's a 6 hour candle. I mean, yes, if I'm not wrong, yes, 6 hour candle. The highs has been taken out in previous 6 hour highs has been taken out. 6 hours open is here, and yeah, let's see. Okay, that's getting taken out, and that's it for the day. I'm done for the day. Very hard, but we managed good. But we managed really good. Yeah, I'll just remove this. I'll remove this. Oh, that's it, guys. A loss and a break even. That's a loss and a break even. Completely all taken live. We are rejecting again. Price gone really higher. Nvidia is looking lower. I feel another sell might be incoming, but I'll leverage low if possible. If it gives again. But for now, I just yes, today tapped as well, right? Today is also tapped. I'll just post it in Twitter and come. So great, great. What is Nvidia doing? Nvidia is kind of bearish, but I want to see lower prices, guys. For some reason, I'm SMT is all there. SMT is all there. But closure above this would send prices higher. We have our targets at the previous H6 size. The previous H6 size. The model provided we did take, and yeah, this SMT still holds, right? The SMT still holds. The SMT still holds. Again, N VOG is about to be tabbed. It's tabbed, and H1 is looking absolutely shit, bro. H1 is literal shit. So we have our M5 FPG there. So let's see if it's flipped. 3-minute FPG as well. Our first presentations FPG. Hey, where do I extend this to the right? Okay. Closure could send prices higher. Easy. We have our M1 inversion flipped. We have our M1 closure here. SMTs here. And Nvidia is not still supporting prices. Uh, Wait a minute. This is how you do it. 10,000 7 on business sama. Take step underground method. Stop not choose but knows that the lesser. Price is rejecting off of 0.5 standard deviation of RTH gap and consolidating right there. That could be another sell, but again 830's price. See, today opening is rejecting price, guys. Like literally. Today opening is shit. Today, like that could have easily sent prices lower. But I hate today opening rejections. I love when I'm trading with nine to like today open. But when I'm against the trend, I'm see how beautifully previous 930's opening our first presentation FEG sending prices higher, guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful to see. Honestly. Damn, we are looking at this at 6 size, guys. Tap video to take Asia. Yes, exactly. Asia highs, it seems. But I'm okay. I'm my stop loss was very tiny, very tiny. And I guess I might be in very tiny profits, but I don't want to show it here right now. Might be jinxed. It takes a lot for doing things in live stream, guys. Takes a lot to be honest. Literally. What's up with 3 minute? Too much of stop loss for us to consider. That's pretty big, and that's our 930's opening. Let's go. If that's kind of the trade that we got yesterday, that's gonna be a banger, guys. Yesterday we also rejected off of this 9:30 or today opens gap right here. See, yesterday also the same happened. Yesterday the same literal same thing happened. Gone a year 9:30 rejection and lower. This is gonna be the same case today. That's gonna be amazing. That's gonna be literally amazing. I just wanna do some micros here, but okay, I'm done for the day. So I'm just gonna observe. I'm just gonna observe. But if that's gonna be good, that's gonna be very good. We have our closure here. Perfect. We have our closure here. I feel we are going low because damn, bro. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Yesterday, the same thing happened yesterday. When I was studying, I was looking at, bro, that's good, bro. See, that's good. We are looking at these lows now. Yesterday, the same thing happened. The same thing happened yesterday. I was not trading yesterday. Like I was looking at price and I was studying price, and the same happened. It's not a lot of moves still. 20 points, maybe some $80, 2 micros. Bro, yeah, damn. I could have executed, but yes, discipline is everything, guys. Discipline is everything. What if it didn't work? And also, looking at the 3 minute FEG we had, that's our inversion. Yes, it was good. And I'm still looking at low prices. Oh, insane. Sales, insane sales, insane sales. I was stopped out, guys. I was stopped out. What should I do? That could have easily been $120 still. But fine, fine. We had our trade. We have our bullets. Our bullets are gone now. Even if you're looking at enemies, it's not the right time for us to shoot. I told you. I told you. I told you. The sales. You're still looking at 141s. We have our previous days lows and all marked, right? I'm still live. My I know executions. I have my broker logged in here. So no shady stuff. We don't do shady stuff. We don't do shady stuff at the stream, guys. We don't do. Yeah, that's gonna be the lows we are looking at. We are looking at previous days lows. The lows has been taken. The target has been reached. Still, lows are evident. The lows here, right? That's what we are looking at in charts right now. So I want to see if you are getting lower. I want to see this getting not broken. We want to see some real bearish price action here. The price has to remain heavy. Price has to remain heavy. Price has to remain heavy. I might take something off at these lows. Yeah, get into the lows. Perfect. Uh, the size should be remain safe. The size because of all the balanced price ranges here. The highs are safe. That's a previous daily, sorry, 931st presentation. That should be broken, and we want to see all this lows. But that's a beautiful sell, bro. I was very early. I was very early. I was very early with the shot. Yeah. Nvidia's heavy, guys. Nvidia's heavy. Heavy. Real heavy. Real heavy. Yeah. Let it broken and free fall. Let it broke and free fall. Absolutely. Free fall. Yeah. That's what I was talking about. Yeah, bro. Yes. 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 I want to see previous those days. I mean, previous days low. Very, very, very. We are very, very near to that. Very close. Very close to that. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Like, bro, the loss has been taken. The loss has been taken, guys. The loss has been taken. By one more. Yeah. But damn, bro. Let's go. We cook day in and day out. We cook. The day's lows has been taken. Free fall, bro. Free fall. Free fall. Free fall. Free fall. Free fall. Where are we looking at? Where are we looking at? Where are we looking at, bro? We are looking at these lows here. We are looking at these lows here. Yeah, that's how we do it live. I had the shot in another account. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Okay, damn. We are done. Amazing day. Amazing day. Amazing day. Amazing day. Amazing day. Amazing. Amazing day. Yes, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the stream right here. And it was a beautiful day. It was a beautiful day. Called everything live. Called everything live. I was first looking at the initial highs, 6R FEG. That's our thing there. Sorry, the 6R model was ours. Absolutely banged. Absolutely banged. So yes, thank you guys for joining in the stream. Hope you guys liked it, and we'll see next week. And if there is something, woo, let's go, guys. Easy, easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Bye, 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 bye.